Myself DR Sonone, Defense Career Academy, Aurangabad. I hope you have seen the 3 videos and atoms on nuclei, that is relation between quantum number with the radius of Bohr's orbit, energy of Bohr's orbit and velocity of Bohr's orbit. So today we will see the topic that is radioactive decay law, which is very important for competitive examination, also for board examination. So we will see the topic that is radioactive decay law. This decay law is related with the radioactive elements. Radioactive elements are that elements in which there is a spontaneous emission of radiation. Like if we consider the element in a periodic table in lanthanide group, that is uranium, thorium, these are the radioactive elements. By birth there is a emission of radiation from the element. That phenomena of emission of radiation is known as radioactivity, and that radioactivity is based on the law of radioactive decay law, right? So the statement of radioactive decay law is what? The number of nuclei disintegrating per unit time is directly proportional to number of nuclei undisintegrated. Disintegration means what? The number of nuclei, we can say disintegrated means they are destroying or decaying. As there is a emission of radiation from the radioactive elements, their nuclei are destroying, or we can say decaying. They are decreasing with respect to time. So here is the statement, the number of nuclei disintegrating per unit time. If we consider number of nuclei are n, then rate of change of nuclei disintegrating, that is dN by dt, is directly proportional to number of nuclei undisintegrated. Undisintegrated matlab unchanged, that are remaining. So the rate of change of disintegrating nuclei is directly proportional to number of nuclei remained or unchanged. So dN by dt is proportional to n. If we remove this sign, proportionality sign, we have to put here a constant, that is lambda. So lambda into n is equals to dN by dt. So we can say that the lambda is the constant and it is also known as disintegration constant. Lambda is what? Disintegration constant. This lambda is also called as decay constant, because for every element like uranium and thorium, they have the property of disintegration with respect to time differently. Many of them, like uranium, decaying with increasing rate or fast rate, but thorium having lesser rate than a uranium. That rate of disintegration denoted by the lambda, right? So lambda is a disintegration constant or decay constant. This equation shows the radioactive decay law. We can say that rate of change of nucleus disintegrated is directly proportional to the number of nuclei unchanged or remaining in the radioactive element. If we optimize this equation, that is dN by dt equals to lambda into n, we can write here as a dN equals to lambda n dt. If we take the initial condition of radioactive element, that time if we consider the number of nuclei or total number of nuclei n naught, means n equals to n naught, where n naught is the total number of nuclei before the decaying. So n naught is the total number of nuclei when time t equals to 0. If we consider these conditions, then we can write this equation like integration of dN, if we integrating both side, integration of lambda n dt. So here is the condition, time starts from 0 and end at t. right? And here we can write here n is equals to n naught. If we integrate this, lambda n is replaced by n naught, and we can put here dt as a integration of dt is t here, and time starts from 0 to t. So equation becomes lambda n naught t plus we can write here c, and here is the number of nucleus n. This equation shows the number of nucleus unchanged is equals to lambda n naught t plus c. So finding out the value of c, we put here the values n naught equals to n and then t equals to 0. If we put here t equals to 0 and n equals to n naught, then we will get c equals to n naught. The value of c equals to n naught here. By solving this equation, we get the final equation, that is equals to n naught lambda t. So these are the different variation in the equation of the radioactive decay law. So simple, the equation of radioactive decay law is dn by dt equals to lambda n. So I hope you get the definition or statement and as well as equation of radioactive decay law. I hope it will be benefited in the competitive examination as well as board examination. This is enough for now. Thank you. Have a nice day.